About 2 years now.
What do you use it for?
Recycling CMU block on projects. It's just reliable. It's not giving me one problem so far. And it's a one-man operation. Once they get good at it, they can scoop into the pile and till it up, and it just saves from having to haul the debris off or to get a dumpster on site. Because once I crush it up on site, I got all the other site guys fighting over who can get rid of it for me. So it saved me from having to truck off scrap CMU on a project. It saves having to get a dumpster on site, which is $300 or $400 just to get it dropped off and to get it picked up, as well as the daily rent. And then I got the labor of moving it around, the expense of paying the dump fees. And with this, I can average, 6-8 ton an hour. It's pretty comfortable and it works great.